So hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you what to do after round 2 of seat allotment, as many of you are having trouble to understand what to do and the thing with change of willingness and specifying willingness. Most of the people are getting confused in these two things. So where is the official PDF of the CCMT revised schedule? So you can see that at 28th of July the round 2 of seat allotment got released. And if you are allotted a seat for the first time, you need to do is deposit your seat acceptance fee within 4th of August, and you need to upload all the documents within 4th of August 5 PM, and you need to specify your willingness. So listen to this carefully, as specifying is your willingness is only for those who got a seat for the first time. So suppose you got a seat in the first round and you have already specified your willingness, then this thing is not for you. Specifying willingness means you need to specify what you are willing to do in the further rounds. Do you need to freeze the seat and take admission? Do you need to reject this seat and withdraw your further participation? Do you need to just float to get all the above choices, or do you need to slide for the choices above in the same institute? I think I have already explained all those in the previous video. You can check that out in the description or in the I button at the top. So if you have got a seat for the first time, you need to specify your willingness, that is float, freeze or slide, and your documents will be verified within this time window, that is within 6th of August. And this document verification was previously done in the reporting center, but due to this pandemic, as we already know, everything is being done online. So this documents verification will also be done online. So in this process, what you need to do is you need to scan all your documents and upload it, and the allotted institute will have some verification officers. They will verify your documents. If they are in order, then you will proceed to the next step. If they are not in order, there are some discrepancies, you will see the option to remove discrepancies, and you will be asked to either refresh your document upload, that is you need to re-upload your documents or not, or there are some other issues they will specify. So just remove the discrepancies if you have any, and you will be good to go for those who got a seat for the first time. And for those who have already got a seat in the first round and they are further participating in the second round, for them they don't need to do all these things. This 9 and 10 is not for them, because they have already got their documents verified in the first round and they have already deposited the fee. What they need to do is this only 11, online change of willingness or withdrawal. So suppose you want to withdraw from CCMT, as you have got some other jobs or IITs and you don't want to participate further, then you can withdraw your seat from CCMT within August 7 to August 10. Or suppose you need to change your willingness. So suppose you got a seat in the first round and you chose float, so you have got a new seat. So if you don't change your willingness and you have got a new seat in the second round and you are happy with the institute in the second round, but you are not happy with the branch, so what you need to do is you need to choose slide. But if you don't change the willingness, as you already set your willingness to floating in the first round, your willingness will remain floating. So in the subsequent round, your allotted institute also may change, which if you don't want, you must change your willingness to slide within this time window. So if you got a seat in the first round, all you need to do is you need to change your willingness. You will see only this option in the second round. You don't need to do anything more in the second round. So that's all for second round. Third round will be published on August 10th tentatively, as CCMT keeps changing the dates. So if you have any more queries, please comment it down below and subscribe to the channel. And after round 3 of seat allotment, if you people are having any kind of issues, let me know. I will make another separate video. So take care. Bye bye.